Hi guys, Jenny with On Fire Fit, and welcome back to my high heel collection, this series. So years ago in my previous home, I had made some short video, well, they were about 15-minute long videos of just my high heels. And I ended up posting those clips, and then my daughter was like, I don't think anybody is going to want to watch 45 minutes worth of just high heels. And I thought, well, what the heck, I'll just put it out there, one long video. And it is one of my most viewed videos. So who knew, right? You never know how those things are all going to happen. It occurred to me that I have a lot of heels that I have received since the time that I did that filming. But really, the motivation for revisiting and refreshing this series is a situation that some of you are aware of with my jaw. I have had a jaw problem for about 15 years. I won't get into all the details, but there's some anatomy issues going on. So it's not just TMJ and, just relax, chill out, you'll be fine. There's some anatomy issues going on. Surgery, I am not a good candidate for. So I've been to every specialist under the sun. So if you are the prayer type, I will appreciate your prayers, because that's definitely what we have to hold on to, right? So I realized that my jaw is progressively bothering me more and more. And I was driving home from work and I thought, when I go to church, it's hard to sing. Sometimes I try to sing in the car. I don't have a great voice, but the Lord still loves our cheerfulness, our joyfulness, and our singing. And it hurts to sing. It hurts to smile. It hurts to socialize. It hurts to talk. And I thought, you know what though? Inside, I can still sing. Inside, I can still rejoice. Inside, nobody, no pain, no nothing can take that away. And so I thought, I'm just going to sing inside. And then it occurred to me that my sound of my walking heels could be a joyful noise unto the Lord. And so this particular series, I will not have music. It will just be the sound of my heels, because I am telling you, if I can't talk, then my heels are going to talk. So I know some of you are probably going through your own struggles of some sort. And I would encourage you that God is still with you. God is still working things out for your good. Choose to see things from a standpoint of joy. If you can, try to reframe things. Try to rejoice in what you do have. And, this life was not meant to be trouble-free. And as much as I would love to be healed, I just pray, God, sustain me. If you want to heal me, I receive that, but sustain me. If I can't be healed for whatever reason, at least just keep helping me to have joy in my heart and sustain me. So I will have a little intro each week, but the majority of my video will be just the high heels. My Patreon will have a different angle of it. So thank you for being patient and forgiving. I won't have long messages, but we will let the shoes do the talking. And I am very grateful. God has blessed me with many, many blessings. Thank you for being here with me. And so let's get on with the runway.